In this video, we will walk through how to create a work breakdown structure, or WBS, in Primavera P6. The WBS is the backbone of your project schedule. It defines how the project is structured and organized before any activities are created. To begin, open your project in Primavera P6 and switch to the WBS view. Here, you can see the hierarchical structure of the project. At the top level, we have the project name. Under this level, we create main WBS elements such as phases, buildings, or major work sections, depending on the project type. To add a new WBS element, simply right-click and select Add, or use the Add WBS button. Each WBS element should clearly represent a logical part of the project scope. Once the main levels are defined, you can continue breaking the project down into more detailed sub-levels. This step is critical for proper planning, progress tracking, and reporting. A well-structured WBS makes it easier to assign activities, control costs, and monitor project performance throughout the project lifecycle. After completing the WBS structure, the project is now ready for activity creation and scheduling. In the next steps, activities will be assigned under each WBS level to build a clear and manageable schedule.